Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert two horizontal lines in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to insert the two horizontal line. At first, go to the home menu, select the new slide option and choose blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and select the shapes drop down menu. We can see here many shapes. Now we go to the line section and select the line shape. Then draw the line horizontally. Press shift on your keyboard to make the line perfect. Then we go to the shape format menu and select the shape outline. You can change the color. Now I am select the red color. Go back again this option and select the white and increase the white. Then we make the line to select this. Go to the shape format menu and go to the dashes. Then go to more line and select the compound type and select double. Then close the window. Now you can see we make two horizontal line shape very easily or multiple. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.